Good morning everyone. This is another session on palmistry and tarot, and of course in this video we will be discussing about some about few markings or about things of which people are really interested to know, that is wealth. Everyone wants money in today's world, and of course earlier money was taken more so of wisdom, but nowadays it's more so of monetary value or more so related to the amount of cash you have. So let us try to understand that in this video. Now of course in palmistry we do look into the strong fate line. If you have a strong fate line or the job line, we know that the person is into some kind of a good job and has some good direction, and that's why the person would be attracting good wealth. Now obviously if the line is thinner and darker, the better the chances of getting more and more money. Of course the sun line also helps. The sun line, if present in this fashion, indicates popularity, fame, and obviously because if a person is popular, automatically it attracts money as well. Other important signs are the star symbol. At times you will see this symbol to be coming up on different mounts, except the Saturn mount that is here. It's generally indication of money, and especially if it comes on the sun line as well. So this is a strong indicator of money, and also if it is found on Jupiter, it can indicate towards status as well. So status and wealth both coming at once. Now other forms of wealth can be some kind of an inheritance as well. You might get sudden wealth at times, so that is also seen in the palm. Like for example, when a line comes out from here, okay, and goes and joins the sun line, something like this, it's more so of inheritance of money. It can be through your wife, it can be through someone else, so it depends. Now if it comes out from the influence line, now we know that the influence line is more so of your wife, or your spouse line, and from there if you see a line going out and joining the sun line, so the money comes in from your spouse or from your partner. Now there are of course a lot of other signs as well. For example, you have the fish symbol, right? The fish symbol looks something like this, okay, which indicates towards wealth. Now there is the trident, where a line splits into three parts, especially on the on the sun line. When you have the trident or trishul, it indicates towards a lot of money or fame. So that's why the trident also you'll see in Amitabh Bachchan's palm that you will see a trident on the headline, which is also considered very, very strong. So this is another mark which indicates towards wealth and attraction of money. Now another important sign which you will definitely want to look in for is the tree sign. Okay, it's the tree sign, or we call in Hindi paid. So that sign is also quite relevant, and that is like a lot of offshoots going from the line. Like this, you will see a lot of offshoots coming in from the fate line or any line, and these offshoots indicate towards a lot of money as well. In terms of, like, if you want to see property and all these things, then you have to see in the quadrangle. If a square comes or a triangle comes, it indicates towards getting a home or getting land and things like that. So yeah, this is in brief about the wealth. Actually there are a lot of markings and which can be found out, but these are the major ones which relate to wealth. Now I would request Shilpa to tell more through tarot cards as to how we can see wealth.
Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about wealth. So the first card that I would display is the Ace of Pentacles. So it obviously means some new source of income coming into picture, or maybe you'll be getting good promotion, good rise in the salary, or maybe some new source of income. Maybe from yourself, or can be a family member, getting a new job, or jumping from previous job to a good job. Then we have this card, Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles usually says ancestral wealth. So you will be getting property or land or lot of wealth from your ancestors.
Lucky, huh?
Yeah, very lucky. Then we have Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles usually says a lot of savings is being done. So it shows that okay, you have good amount of wealth which is being saved for you.
And it's more of earned money.
Yes, earned money. not exactly, but somewhere, okay, you maybe like, okay, if your children are giving to you and you have taken and you're not spending, so you earn. So this happens in, most of the times in case with children. When you give them pocket money, they don't spend, they save, and then at the end they have a good amount of money with them. Then we have this card, Eight of Pentacles. This card says more of like, earned money, so that you working hard, yeah, working hard, earning, and then saving money. And then we have this card, Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles usually says that okay, you are planning to invest somewhere, so your money from bank or somewhere has already come, and you are planning to increase your income by in terms of generating revenues or profits through the money that you already have. Then we have this Nine of Cups. Why Nine of Cups? Cups usually denotes happiness and wealth and contentment. So whenever you get this card, you are all in a happy and wealthier mood. So you are healthy, you are happy, and yeah, that's a nice card.
Okay, so what else?
Yeah, so can we relate the same cards to palmistry?
Yeah, of course. Like you mentioned about, I remember about this card, right? What it means, inheritance.
Yeah, inheritance.
It indicates towards inheritance, that we also see from this line going and joining the sun line. It's the same indication. Then we had another one. This was earned money, I think. So again, this shows a lot of hard work being put.
Yes.
And in hand, it is related to a strong fate line, or a strong job line.
Yes.
Now, there was another card I do remember. Yeah, it's the Ace of Pentacles. What does this mean?
New source of income.
New source or alternate source, double source of income, that we see by having more than one fate line or job line. At times this line becomes doubled. So you have two sources, and that card relates well to that as well. So hopefully you got few more points across in this video about the signs of wealth in our hand as well as tarot cards. Do join us for more. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.